Hey guys, so I'm going to go through how to upload to Artsonia again on an iPad, since that's what most of you, I'm assuming, are using now that the school has passed out iPads. Hopefully, if you needed one, you've got one. So I'm going to go through that step by step one more time. You can always come back to this video and watch. I'm going to be doing it with the origami finger puppet, the little pig I made, but you can do it with any project. It's the same steps, just the project name is going to be different. All right, you guys, so when you go to your iPad, if you do not have Artsonia yet, you need to get it from self-service, but all of you should have it because we've used it in class, at least most of us have. And Artsonia looks like this guy down in the bottom corner. It's like rainbow, oops. It's rainbow colored with a splat. So this one here. So when you go to Artsonia, you need to put in students, which is the one in the middle. And then you need to scan your QR code. So here is the QR code. Hopefully you can see this. So I'm going to scan it with my iPad. Now on the iPad, you just click that purple circle, or you could type in the letters above the QR code. So I scanned it. Scan the QR code. This is what your screen is going to look like. So it's going to say you requested access to this school. It should say Las Lunas Elementary, okay? That's our school. Green check mark for correct. Then you're going to start typing in your name. I created me a student account. And so I will start doing that. Once the name pops up, you can click on it. And it'll take you to your personal gallery. Now, if there's more than one person with your name, make sure you check the grade all the way to the right, okay? So on this screen is where you'll see all of the artwork that you have so far created and submitted. If it says approved, that means I have already approved it, okay? If it says like student working, still working, something like that, you need to go back in and finish because you didn't completely go through all of your steps. And if it says something like pending or in review, that means I have it and I need to finish approving it or send it back to you. So that way it'll go to our gallery, or if you're not set to public, it'll just be approved. So that way I can see it, you can see it, and your parents can see it. So when you go to add new artwork, you have to go up to the right corner. It says add art. You're gonna click there. And then there's a bunch of artwork, especially now that we're doing this online and trying to do one every day. So there are gonna start being quite a few different projects. Just keep up with them the best that you can and try to keep as organized as you can. If you are absolutely unsure about where to put things, you could always fall back on other art or at-home artwork. Either one of those, and then I can just move it to where it needs to be when I go to approve it. So this one, I'm doing the little origami pig. So I'm going to click origami finger puppets. So it's the top one. And it's going to bring me to the camera. So now I'm going to add the picture of little piggy. Get it the way I want it. Take a photo. Now, on the bottom of your screen, you have tools to kind of use. There's a rotate option. You can crop it. So I'm gonna go ahead and rotate it because I want my piggy the right direction. There we go. And then move the corners. Now the original one it's gonna put you at is only going to move the corner that you click on one at a time. If you want to move all the corners together, down in the bottom next to the one that looks like a magnet, it has a little square with arrows pointing towards the corners. You click on that one, then you can move the whole thing and keep it like a rectangle shape. All right, so I think that cropping is good. There's my piggy. I'm going to click next up in the top right corner. If you have your full name, something you need to hide, you can blur, you can turn this black and white. You can click the little one and it'll automatically fix it. And if you like it, keep it. If you don't, don't. Submit in the top right corner. So everything's kind of be in this corner. Your art title is what you want to name it. So I'm going to name mine Origami Piggy. And then submit in the top right corner. And then the prompt for this one is tell me about your origami finger puppet. So I'm going to put my puppet in food. I hold it here down. So just whatever you want to say about your puppet. Just an example. I'm going to click submit, top right corner. Okay, and then it shows me everything. So if it says submitted to teacher for review, that means it's submitted to me, I'm looking at it. If it doesn't say submitted for teacher, if it says something else, that means you didn't completely finish that section and you need to go back and finish it. In the top left corner, you can click home. And then you can see, so now I have one in review. So that is the one that I have to approve. And you could tell the difference from the one that's already been approved here, the at-home artwork, compared to the one that's in review. So that's kind of how you go through it. To add more artwork, just right back in the right corner. Once you scan that QR code, you usually do not have to do it again. It should keep you logged in. If you're sharing this iPad, maybe there's 3 of you. Siblings who are all submitting artwork, just make sure to log out in the top corner, top left corner, and then the next person can put in their name. You never have to click quit unless you want to. If you click quit, then you will have to re-put in the QR code. But if you never click quit, you don't have to worry about it. It'll keep you logged into the school. You just have to log into your individual account. So hopefully that helps with doing the projects and submitting them online. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to your teachers. They can give you my email so you can contact me. I'm so happy that some of you are creating. I'm seeing more and more submissions to Artsonia, which I love to see. I love to see your faces if you want to include yourselves in your artwork. I love to see that. Don't ever feel like you have to. Just remember that if you send me a picture that has you in it, I can't put it to our public gallery, okay? But if you're fine with that, or you're not even approved for public gallery, then it doesn't matter. Just go ahead, send me your face. I miss you guys. Try to submit as much as you can to Artsonia. I love seeing that you guys are being creative at home. Plus it gives you something to do. All right, guys, keep creating. I shall see you for the next video. Bye.